Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we're going to talk about a threat that hides in plain sight. A danger you might have already crossed paths with without realizing it. We are talking about skimmers, devices so small and so deceptive that they can steal your credit card information in just a few seconds. You may have swiped your card at an ATM, at a gas station, or even at a local shop and left with more than just a receipt. You could have unknowingly handed over your financial identity to a criminal. Before we dive deeper into this fascinating and dangerous world, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Cibertips, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Each week, we reveal the hidden tricks hackers and cyber criminals use, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself. Your awareness is your strongest weapon. Now, let's uncover the world of skimmers. Skimmers are devices designed to steal credit or debit card information. They are often installed over or inside legitimate card readers, like those at ATMs, gas pumps, or payment terminals. To the untrained eye, they look harmless, almost identical to the real thing. That's the trick. When you insert your card, the skimmer secretly copies the data from the magnetic stripe, or even the chip. Some models also include hidden cameras or fake keypads to capture your PIN. In just a few seconds, the attacker has everything they need to clone your card. What makes skimmers so dangerous is not just their ability to steal, but their invisibility. Most people wouldn't know the difference between a legitimate ATM slot and one that has been tampered with. Criminals design these devices with incredible precision. Some are 3D printed to match the original design perfectly. Others are so thin they slide directly into the machine's reader, making them nearly impossible to detect without dismantling the entire terminal. Let's think about the process. A criminal installs a skimmer on an ATM. You arrive, insert your card, type your PIN, and withdraw cash. Everything works as normal. You leave, unaware that your information has been captured. Hours later, your card details are cloned onto a blank card. That clone can now be used to withdraw money or make purchases, often in another country, while you're still carrying your original card. You won't even realize you've been robbed until you check your bank statement or your card is declined. But how do these criminals actually use the stolen data? The information captured from the magnetic stripe contains essential details: the card number, the expiration date, and sometimes even the cardholder's name. With this, they can create a duplicate card that works just like the real one. If they also capture your PIN, they can drain your bank account through ATMs. If not, they can still use the cloned card for online purchases or in physical stores that don't require PIN verification. Some advanced skimmers don't work alone. They are connected to tiny Bluetooth transmitters or even cellular modules that send the stolen data directly to the criminals in real time. That means the attackers don't even need to retrieve the device. They get the information instantly, making the attack faster, risk-free, and harder to trace. Now, you might be thinking, how widespread is this problem? The answer may shock you. Skimming is one of the most common forms of financial fraud worldwide. It costs banks and consumers billions of dollars every year. From major cities to small towns, ATMs and payment terminals are targets. In fact, law enforcement agencies regularly find and confiscate these devices. But for everyone discovered, many more remain hidden. What makes the story even more alarming is that skimming isn't just limited to ATMs. Criminals have found ways to install skimmers at gas stations, vending machines, ticket kiosks, and even inside stores. Anywhere you swipe, insert, or tap your card, there could be a hidden danger. But why does this continue to happen, even in an age of chip cards and contactless payments? The reason is simple: convenience and compatibility. Many places still rely on magnetic stripe readers, which are much easier to exploit. Even with chip cards, criminals have developed advanced shimmers, ultra-thin devices inserted directly into the card slot that read the chip ES data. It's a constant battle between new security features and new criminal innovations. The psychological aspect of skimming is fascinating. Unlike online scams that try to trick you into clicking a link, skimmers exploit your trust in physical machines. You believe the ATM is safe because it belongs to your bank. You trust the gas station pump because it's always been there. That trust is exactly what criminals take advantage of. And that's why so many people fall victim. Let's talk about detection. How can you spot a skimmer? There are a few signs. If the card slot looks loose, bulky, or slightly misaligned, it could be compromised. If the keypad feels thicker than usual or doesn't match the surrounding surface, it might be fake. Some ATMs show glue residue or scratches where criminals have tampered with them. And in some cases, you might notice tiny holes or strange attachments where cameras could be hidden to record your PIN. But the truth is, many skimmers are nearly impossible to detect without proper training or equipment. That's why the most effective defense is not just looking carefully, but adopting safer habits. For example, cover the keypad with your hand when entering your PIN. Even if a hidden camera is present, it won't capture the numbers. Choose ATMs located inside bank branches rather than those on the street, as they are less likely to be compromised. And whenever possible, use contactless payments, like NFC-enabled cards or mobile wallets, which are harder to skim. Another key defense is monitoring. Regularly check your bank statements and enable instant transaction alerts. The sooner you spot suspicious activity, the faster you can stop it. Many banks have fraud detection systems, but nothing beats your own vigilance. If you see a charge you don't recognize, report it immediately. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to recover your money. Let's not forget that skimming is part of a larger ecosystem of crime. The stolen data is often sold on underground markets on the dark web. There, buyers purchase card information in bulk, sometimes for just a few dollars per card. These stolen details are then used for fraud worldwide. What starts with one small device on one ATM can ripple across the globe, fueling an entire industry of digital crime. So, what can we learn from all this? The lesson is that no one is completely safe, but everyone can take steps to reduce the risk. Skimming is a perfect example of how criminals exploit human habits, technological weaknesses, and trust in everyday systems. By being aware, cautious, and proactive, you make yourself a much harder target. Think about it. The next time you go to an ATM or pay at a gas station, will you look at the machine differently? Will you notice details you ignored before? That small change in awareness could be the difference between keeping your money safe and having it stolen in seconds. Cybersecurity is not just about firewalls and complex systems. It's about the real-world devices we interact with every day. Skimmers remind us that danger isn't always behind a screen. Sometimes it's right in front of us, waiting for us to swipe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cibertips for more insights into the hidden tricks of hackers and cyber criminals. Remember, your strongest defense is knowledge. Stay safe, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next video.